By adding these things in your coffee, you can make an amazing and effective fat-blasting drink to lose that pesky belly fat in no time. It is super easy to prepare, and I bet you have all the ingredients in your kitchen right now. This drink is getting rapidly popular between women because of its proven results and great taste. Body fat, especially belly fat, is hard to go away. Busy people don't have times for fancy workouts, elaborate diets, and gym memberships. No need to be hopeless though. By eating healthy, doing some light exercise, and having this amazing drink in the morning will surely help you lose that body fat in no time. Here's how it does work. Your body is programmed to burn carbohydrates for energy. So whenever you are on a diet, your body craves for food rather than burning fat. You feel very hungry and end up failing to continue the diet. And that's where this drink works. It reprograms your body to burn fat for energy. It suppresses your appetite and increases metabolism, resulting in fat loss. This drink is so effective and energy-giving that the diet programs replace it with your morning breakfast. Here are the ingredients. Number 1. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, which is present in most commercial fat-burning supplements today. Caffeine mobilizes fat from your fat tissues and increases the metabolism. Number 2. Unsalted butter. Butter contains a decent amount of short and medium chain fats, which are metabolized differently from other fats. They lead to improved satiety and increased fat burning. Number 3. Organic extra virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is entirely made up of medium-chain fatty acids. They increase feelings of fullness and lead to an automatic reduction in calorie intake, resulting in fat loss. Here's how to make it. Brew 1 cup 8 to 12 ounces of coffee, taking 1 to 2 tablespoonfuls of coffee. Add 1 tablespoon of grass-fed unsalted butter. Add 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients in a blender for 30 seconds. If you don't have a blender, don't worry. Just whisk it or shake it thoroughly. Take this 1 cup of fat-blasting coffee every morning. The diet says you can replace this coffee with your breakfast because this coffee contains enough energy. With fat loss, you get added benefits of suppressed hunger, steady lasting energy, and mental clarity. We are eager to see your reviews in the comments section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, press that subscribe button and the bell icon to be one of the first people to know when we put out a new video. Please check the description box below for related links and more information. Take care.